Hi, welcome to Tiana and Ace Taste. Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is a watermelon tip, and I'm gonna let Tiana tell you all about it.
Have you ever had a watermelon that wasn't bad, but wasn't quite as sweet as you expected? So I have this half a watermelon that I had that problem with. Again, not bad, just not quite sweet enough. So I'm going to show you two tricks to make it so the watermelon tastes better. One is just to cut it up, and you're going to want a lime, and you're just going to zest the lime and also squeeze lime juice into it. And then the lime brings out the sweetness in the watermelon, so you can just enjoy it that way. The other option is tossing everything into a blender and basically throw in the watermelon, throw in half a lime, like half a lime juice, throw in lime zest, blend it all up, and then you can strain it like I have with a prior juice recipe and have a watermelon juice without any pulp, but will bring out the sweetness. It's nice and refreshing. I'll kind of show you how I do that, and I hope that you enjoy.
Well, thank you so much for joining us. I hope you liked the video. I think those tips are terrific. The zesting and the lime juice with the watermelon pieces really brings out the sweetness, and juicing the watermelon, oh, delicious. If you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, comment, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. See you next time.